Donation rate with text-to-speech program, except it's actually Zea. Let's do it right now. I can do it right now, actually. Zea bisa melakukan itu sekarang. Membaca donasi dengan text-to-speech tapi pakai suara Zea datar. I can do it right now. Yes.
A few moments later.
Terima kasih, David Titanium. Waduh, ternyata donasinya numpuk. The traffic light, short snout, and retractable claws. Oh my god, terima kasih 10.000-nya. Halo kakak, saya baru di sini. Arah condong dalam 500 meter. Belok terima kanan. Kasih, David Titanium. Nggak usah dibaca deh. Thanks for the live and thanks for mood booster at the right time. Pay attention to you and miss you whether ipsum dolor sit amet. Oh my god, wait, thank you for salah. Terima kasih Yohanes Wijaya. Zia Zotter Zout Sam Zutter but don't forget to drink water. I will. Please let me grab water, people. Tolong, Zia mau minum. Kalian tungguin Zia ya. Zia mau ngambil minum. Maafkan Zia. Tolong biarkan Zia ambil minum sejenak. Tolong biarkan Zia ambil minum. I'm gonna grab drink. Please spare me. Do not send me anything. I'm just going to grab a drink for a bit, okay? Okay.
Beberapa saat kemudian.
Please forgive me. Don't send me anything. I just want to talk. Please stop. Forgive me. Zia hanya mau ngobrol. Jangan kirimin Zia apa-apa lagi.
2 hours later.
Terima kasih seseorang. Why are we still here? Justo saper. No, I just want to talk. Please stop. I'm sorry. Maafkan Zia. Tolong, kayak kita ngobrol biasa saja, oke? Oke. Please, ayo kita ngobrol biasa aja. Please, saya cuma mau ngobrol biasa aja. Terima kasih.